So please excuse the fact that this footage is square cropped. I actually had to recover it because I lost it, and the only way I could do that is through this way, so please ignore that. But anyways, for this look, I am starting off by lining the top of my eyes with a brown liner and then smudging it out. And then with a black liner, I'm going in and actually lining my eyes. And then I took the brown liner and lined my bottom waterline. Then I just took a lengthening mascara and put that on because honestly, Rue has a more natural vibe, so I wanted to keep that. With a white highlight, I just went in and highlighted my inner corners, brow bone, and nose. And then with the pink highlight, I highlighted my cheekbones just to give it a more colorful look, I guess. So for the exciting part, the glitter tears, I took a lipstick that had like an iridescent look to it, I guess, and just drew the outline of the tears with that. Preferably you want to pick a lip gloss that is sticky. I took silver and lavender glitter and just put that on top of the lip gloss. For the lips, I wanted to not take the shine away from the glitter tears, so I just used a matte nude. So Rue's hair is obviously a different texture from mine. So to mimic that texture, I just braided my hair, slept with the braid, and then I took it out, and this is the result. So yeah, that's what I did. I just French braided my hair at night, dampened it, and then this is what came out. For the outfit, I'm just wearing this tie-dye hoodie with the hood obviously on and some black sweatpants, and then I would have preferred Converse, but I didn't have any, so I'm just wearing these gray sneakers. This part is obviously optional, but I think it gives it that scary vibe, you know? So I'm just gonna pop in these silver contacts. These are from Iris Beauty, and they do come in my prescription. They actually did send me these, so I do have a code for you guys if you guys are interested. And this is how they come in packaged. They are FDA approved, super comfortable. I honestly do love these contacts. And this is how they look. As you guys know, I have dark eyes, so for them to pop out like this is honestly pretty cool. To start off the clown lines, I took this red/burgundy shadow on a flat brush and drew lines down my eyes, connected it to the corner of my mouth, and then took the lines up past my eyebrows. To make sure it looked like an actual clown, even though apparently I look like this year round, I drew little triangles under my eyes to give it that like super clown look. I didn't have a red lipstick, so what I did was just take this other lipstick and I just tapped the red shadow on top of it to make it look red. For eye makeup, the only thing I did was put on some lengthening mascara. And then that is it for the makeup. For the hair, I just split it down the middle and then took the top section of each part and put it in a little ponytail to make mini pigtails. I'm just wearing these black sweatpants with this little gray crop top and my white Air Force Ones. Honestly, I would have preferred the top to be white, but you know, I was working with what I had. And I am also wearing this red choker just to tie the whole look together. So for this look, I'm also going to be using contacts. These are the ones I used. They're just this light brown color. I already went ahead and put those on. And now I'm just doing my brows. I decided to shape them out and fill them in with a brow pomade. And I also did clean them up with concealer underneath. Then I just concealed my under eyes and spot corrected some pimples that I had. For eye makeup, I am doing a brown smoky eye, so I just took a medium brow shadow in the crease, a darker brown shadow on the lid. To mix those two together, I just used a shimmery brown lid because on the doll's makeup, it looked like she had shimmer in her crease, so I just wanted to add that effect. Then I lined my eyes with a black liquid liner. And I also put a little bit of pencil black liner on the outer half of my bottom waterline. These are the lashes that I used, and I just highlighted with a super bright and shimmery highlight. So another detail I decided to add was the Bratz logo underneath my eye. I don't know, I just thought it was a cute little detail. I just did this with a liquid liner. It was kind of hard, honestly, not gonna lie. It took some time to do, but I think it's because I did it really tiny. So I don't recommend it to do it this tiny, but I also do love how it looks, so I don't know. But yeah, this is what it ended up looking like. In the picture, she also has a little diamond, so I put that on and I recreated her little mole next to it. And then for lips, all I really did was put on a lip plumping nude lip gloss. I tried to line them, but it didn't really work out, so it just looks nude. For the hair, I started off by making a side part, and then I just took the front sections and kind of like sectioned them out. So then I took the rest of my hair and put it into a really high ponytail. Then I took the front sections and kind of laid them flat and secured them behind my ear with a bobby pin so that it wouldn't move. And then after that, I took the remaining pieces behind my ear along with a little piece from the ponytail, and I wrapped it around the elastic that the ponytail was showing. And that's how I got the hair. Honestly, it would look way better if you actually like used gel and all my baby hairs weren't sticking out, but you get the idea. So for this outfit, I just put on some little baby silver hoops. I'm also wearing this little cropped white baby tee and a distressed denim skirt and this big puffy brown jacket. And then for shoes, I am wearing these black booties with a gold heel. I just think this is a really Bratz type look.